Question: ever wondered how to ditch the traditional banking hassle and embrace a more modern, digital-first experience? Today, we're diving into the world of Monzo, a popular UK-based digital bank that's revolutionizing the way we manage our finances. Hook: think of Monzo as your personal financial assistant, always there to help you track your spending, set budgets, and even save money effortlessly. But how do you actually get started with Monzo? That's what we'll be exploring in this video. Understanding Monzo. What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that operates entirely through a smartphone app. It's designed to be simple, intuitive, and accessible to everyone. Key features: real-time notifications, get instant alerts for every transaction. Categorized spending, easily track where your money is going. Budgeting tools, set spending limits and save towards goals. Fee-free international spending, no hidden charges when you use your Monzo card abroad. Overdraft protection, avoid unexpected fees. Opening a Monzo account. Step 1. Download the app. The first step is to download the Monzo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign up. Create a Monzo account by entering your basic information, such as your name, email address, and mobile number. Step 3. Verify your identity. To comply with anti-money laundering regulations, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves uploading a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. Step 4. Order your Monzo card. Once your account is verified, you can order your free Monzo debit card. Step 5. Activate your card. Once your card arrives, you'll need to activate it within the app. Using Monzo. Setting up your account. Customize your Monzo experience by setting up features like budgeting, savings pots, and recurring payments. Adding money. Learn how to add money to your Monzo account using bank transfers, card payments, or cash deposits. Making payments. Explore the different ways to use your Monzo card, including in-store purchases, online shopping, and contactless payments. Tracking your spending. Discover how to use Monzo's budgeting tools to monitor your spending habits and identify areas where you can save. Benefits of Monzo. Convenience. Enjoy the flexibility of managing your finances from your smartphone. Transparency. Get a clear view of your spending habits and avoid hidden fees. Savings potential. Use Monzo's budgeting tools to save money and reach your financial goals. International travel. Benefit from fee-free international spending and avoid currency exchange fees. Frequently asked questions. Is Monzo safe? Monzo uses advanced security measures to protect your money and personal information. Can I use Monzo for business? While Monzo is primarily designed for personal use, there are business-focused Monzo accounts available in some regions. Can I withdraw cash from ATMs? Yes, you can withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. What happens if I lose my card? If you lose your card, you can easily freeze it within the app to prevent unauthorized transactions. Conclusion. Recap. In this video, we've explored how to open a Monzo account and the benefits of using this innovative digital bank. From budgeting to international travel, Monzo offers a range of features to simplify your financial life. Call to action. If you're looking for a more convenient and transparent way to manage your money, consider giving Monzo a try. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.